Hey guys, Loves to Loom here. I received 4 of the new Rainbow Loom kits that Rainbow Loom is releasing. They have 7 of them coming, but I have 4, and they did send them to me ahead of time to review them. There are some contents missing because I did make stuff, but I'll go over each one. So this is the Flex one. It's actually the Flex Mega Combo. I have the Mega Loom Duo, and then I have 2 different ones of these Loomiloom hook-only kits. Here's the other one, but I do have a lot missing in that one. So we're going to start with the Flex, which might be my absolute favorite. So let me show you what's inside. As you can see, it has 7,000 bands, 75 beads. You can make murals, charms, bracelets. So let's open it up. And you can see it comes with these 2 little sheets of stickers. If you want to customize the kit, you can do that. I zoomed in because I want you to see these beautiful colors. They're just so perfect and vibrant. And then it also comes with these easy clips, which also match a lot of the bands, but also matches the beads too. So that's really cool. I already have this open and I don't want to spill them, but it comes with those. You could also make some little keychains or add charms onto them if you want to hang them on a book bag. I do want to show you the bands because the quality of these I think are really great. They're not thin. They're very good quality. The black's kind of hard to see. Oh, I picked two of almost the same color. I don't usually film at this angle, so bear with me. Do you see the thickness? Let's see. There we go. You can see the thickness of how they're not super thin, and then they have a good stretch and like snap to them. That's really important to me. So the band quality, thickness, A+ for me. This loom is a winner, you guys. Look at this. Well, first, it does come with 2 hooks if you want to add beads. And then my favorite is this has one of the best heads for looming, in my opinion. You can see that you can do the loom aligned like that. Or you can pop the middle out if you want to make a mural. Let me show you one that I made. I made a little smiley face, which is on the packaging. So I've actually never made a mural before, ever. This made it so easy. I really love this loom a lot. You can also do it staggered if you need to follow a tutorial with a staggered setup. So very easy, customizable. You can pop it in and out. And you can connect other looms to it if you have more than one. If you're looking for one of the new kits and you only want to get one, if you're someone that likes loom designs, of course, I highly recommend this. Okay, so this one is the Mega Loom Duo. It comes with 2 of the purple Mega Looms. You can see some different things on here that you can make, or you can loom with the bestie if you want. But let's turn it around and open this up. We have a little pamphlet instructions if you want to look through that. Put that to the side. But this one does come with little stickers as well if you want to customize the kit, which, as you can see, I already did use a couple of those. This comes with a lot of like little charms. It has the cute little circle, bump charms. It has easy clips in the pretty colors to match some of the bands that you're using. So cute. I love these little cute charms. I think it comes with like 16 of these. I know it came with a lot of these, a lot of cute ones. Let me show you something I did make using this. Using all these adorable little charms. How cute are they? Look at the little boba. Little cupcake and frog. We got a smiley face. This does come with the glitter beads. I already used some. I don't want to spill them out. But a lot of cute colors with that. And then I just have the rest of the little charms that I didn't use up here. There's a flower. And it does come with a G-clip so that you can attach your charms. So as you can see, it does come with 2 of the regular hooks because it comes with 2 of the Mega Looms. So if you want to loom with your bestie, which is why you would need 2 hooks, or if you're going to loom alone and just want to make a full-length bracelet, you can connect these together, one in front of the other. You can connect that to make one long loom, or you can connect these side by side if you want to make something wider or a charm or something like that. So that comes in handy. And let's not forget the little hook that adds the beads. It comes with that as well. We have a lot of the same really fun spring vibrant colors. This has the same exact quality as the Flex kit when it comes to the thickness and the stretchiness and quality. This is a good kit to have, especially if you want to make bigger, longer, and wider things, and if you want to have more access to charms. So there we have that one. Let's move on to the Loomilooms. Alright, so last but not least, we have the new Loomiloom kits. I have the Festival Magic and the Cosmic Dreams. These are their first Loomiloom kits that come with the double-ended hook and the bands. I think they're super cute and I just love the idea. So very similar style kits. They both come with the double-ended hooks, just different accessory and color bands. So I got them open, and just so you guys know, each one of these kits do come with 3 packages of bands. I just happen to use them. This one comes with the silver beads, which I don't have any left somehow, but here they are on this bracelet that I made when I was playing around with it. I don't know if these designs exist, so if anyone asks that, I am not sure. I just was playing around when I was making them. But very, very cute. I think they look so elegant with these silver and gold beads, but you can get a little close-up of the colors that are in the kits. So that is for the Cosmic Dream, and of course they both come with the double-ended Loomiloom hook with the grip. The grip does come off if you're not aware. And then we have the Festival, is it Festival Magic? Yeah, Festival Magic kit, and that comes with the gold beads, which I do have some of those left. I have a lot more hidden under here, but look how pretty they are. So cute. Very springtime vibe. And of course the same type of double-ended hook with the grip. Both of them also come with the easy clips. So I'm not going to keep you guys much longer. I just wanted to show you the new stuff Rainbow Loom's coming out with. Let me know down below what you guys think. What do you want to get? But that will be it for today, you guys. I thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.